Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Bittrex. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Bittrex is a licensed, semi-regulated cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2014 by a team of 4 experts with more than 50 years of combined industry experience. The founding team of Bittrex has experience in security and development, and they have worked for companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, and BlackBerry. Bittrex Global is licensed by the Bermuda Monetary Authority, or BMA, and is also supervised by the Financial Market Authority, making it a secure cryptocurrency exchange. Bittrex offers hundreds of trading pairs and a great selection of cryptocurrencies and altcoins from some of the most popular blockchains and applications. If you join Bittrex, you will have access to advanced trading tools, a beginner-friendly mobile application, and 24-hour customer support. Bittrex offers a highly sophisticated trading exchange with a wide range of products and services that go far beyond simply trading cryptocurrencies. So let's find out why this is one of our top-rated crypto exchanges. Bittrex is currently one of the most secure crypto exchanges in the market, and approximately 90% of client funds are held in offline cold storage systems. Compared to most other crypto exchanges, Bittrex offers a much greater variety of cryptocurrencies, and there are more than 400 cryptos to choose from, and over 1,100 pairs you can trade on this exchange. You can easily buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using the desktop exchange or the Bittrex mobile application. Bittrex charges small fixed commission fees, with a flat rate of 0.25% being charged on every trade. However, your trading fees are reduced when you trade in higher volumes. Bittrex also offers margin trading on cryptocurrencies and a wide range of altcoins from popular DeFi protocols such as Cardano, Polkadot, and Decentraland. To view the markets you can trade with Bittrex, all you need to do is click on the Markets tab or click on the View Markets button. The Bittrex exchange has an intuitive layout and offers a great selection of drawing tools, order types, and chart styles that you can use to visualize market trends and refine your trading strategies. You can easily find cryptocurrencies or trading pairs by typing ticker symbols into the search bar, and you can add the instruments you like the most to your favorites list to make sure you never miss an opportunity to trade. Bittrex offers a beginner-friendly mobile application that guarantees fast transaction speeds and hassle-free trading. The referral program can be accessed directly from the mobile application, and you can invite your friends by simply copying your referral link and sharing it with them. In order to download the mobile application, scroll down the homepage and click on one of the download links for Google Play or the Apple App Store. If you are looking for helpful beginner's guides or recent updates on crypto trends and market news, you can click on the Discover tab and check out some of the latest posts. When you open a Bittrex account, you will have access to a digital wallet that is linked to your account, but you can easily withdraw your assets into other wallets. We recommend using the Atomic Wallet, MetaMask, or Trust Wallet if you are looking for a trusted wallet that can support multiple cryptocurrencies. Atomic Wallet is free to use and is beginner-friendly, and offers multi-currency support for more than 300 cryptocurrencies that can be traded using the built-in exchange. This wallet is trusted by more than 4 million users worldwide, and it can also be used for staking. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications, is free to download and use, and supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a great option if you are interested in collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The wallets we recommend support most cryptocurrencies and altcoins. However, if you will be using a different wallet, remember to make sure that the wallet you are using is secure and supports the cryptocurrencies you have purchased. You can easily create an account with Bittrex in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Bittrex homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, you'll want to verify your email address, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Once your Bittrex account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. There are two ways that you can buy crypto on Bittrex. Either do so from the Instant Buy dashboard, or head over to the exchange. If you'll be using the exchange, choose a trading pair, set your parameters, and confirm your order by clicking on Buy or Sell. To withdraw funds from your account, you will first need to log into your account, and once you have logged in, click on the Wallets button. You will then be redirected to a page where you can enter the address of your preferred wallet. The transaction will need to be verified by you, so make sure to have your phone nearby or access to your email to authorize the withdrawal. If you require assistance with anything else after creating your account, you can reach the Bittrex customer support team by clicking on the live chat button, or by scrolling to the bottom of the homepage and going to the support section. Bittrex provides plenty of helpful articles to help you get started, and you can easily search for keywords if you can't find what you are looking for on the FAQ section. Don't hesitate to contact the customer support team directly. You can also submit a web ticket from this page and request a callback or start an email conversation with them. So what do we like about Bittrex? Bittrex has been around for many years and is currently one of the safest crypto exchanges in the world. It is one of the very few exchanges that are regulated by the Financial Market Authority and also holds several trading licenses. By joining Bittrex, you will have access to hundreds of instruments, powerful trading tools, and ultra-low trading fees. So if you are interested, be sure to open your Bittrex account today and begin your trading career with a trusted exchange that will give you all the tools, guidance, and opportunities that you need. And don't forget to bring a friend along with you to earn some bonus rewards. And that is our overview of Bittrex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.